Success doesn't start with luck. It doesn't start with talent. It doesn't even start with opportunity. Success starts in your mind, because your mind is the operating system of your life. And here's the shocking truth. Most people are running on old programming, beliefs installed by parents, society, fear, and past failures. Reprogramming your mind for success is not complicated. It's not long. It's a series of simple shifts that can happen quickly once you become conscious. Today, you're going to learn how to rewrite your internal code and create a mindset built for achievement, confidence, and unstoppable growth. Let's begin. Chapter 1. Identify your old programming. You can't upgrade what you don't understand. Your current mindset is built from things you were told as a child, past mistakes, fear of judgment, trauma, society's expectations, the people you surround yourself with. These invisible beliefs become mental walls. Common examples are, I'm not good enough. Success is for other people. I'll fail anyway, so why try? I don't deserve more. To reprogram your mind, start by catching these thoughts. Write them down. Shine a light on them, because once exposed, they lose their power. Awareness is the first rewrite. Chapter 2. Replace limiting thoughts with empowering commands. Your brain listens to your words like commands. Every time you say, I can't, your brain obeys. Every time you say, I'm not ready, your brain shuts down. So you replace those commands with new ones. Not empty affirmations, but identity statements backed by intention. I am becoming someone who finishes what I start. I deserve abundance and success. I choose growth over comfort. I am training myself to stay disciplined. Repeat these daily. Your brain rewires through repetition, not motivation. Tactic 3. Visualize with precision. Visualization isn't magic, it's mental practice. Elite athletes do it. Successful CEOs do it. Creators, innovators, and leaders all use it. Why? Because your brain struggles to tell the difference between imagination and experience. So when you visualize success clearly, your brain starts acting like it's possible. Try this. Every morning, close your eyes for 2 minutes and see your future self, your routine, your energy, your success, your lifestyle, your confidence. You're rehearsing the life you want until it becomes natural. Chapter 4. Reprogram through action. Small wins daily. You don't reprogram your mind by thinking. You reprogram it by doing. Every small win becomes proof to your brain that you're capable. Every completed task becomes a new belief. Every step forward builds identity. Practical strategy. Set one small goal for the day. Complete it. Celebrate it. Maybe it's 10 minutes of learning. Maybe it's drinking water instead of soda. Maybe it's finishing a task you've avoided. Small wins create big self-belief. Self-belief creates momentum. Momentum creates success. Chapter 5. Upgrade your environment. Your mind mirrors what surrounds you. Your environment is your silent programmer. Look around. The people you listen to, the content you consume, the conversations you have, the habits you see, the energy you feel. These things shape your mindset automatically. So if you want success, adjust your inputs. Spend time with people who think bigger. Follow creators who inspire you, not drain you. Remove negative voices and toxic influences. Decorate your space for clarity and focus.
You can't think like a winner in a losing environment. Chapter 6. Break the comfort loop. Your brain loves comfort. Comfort feels safe, but success is built in discomfort. Reprogramming means training your brain to see discomfort as growth. Try this daily. Do one thing that feels slightly uncomfortable. A cold shower. A difficult conversation. Waking up earlier. Finishing the boring task. Saying no. Starting the project. Each time you push past resistance, your brain learns, this is who we are now.
Chapter 7. Rewrite your identity for success. This is the most powerful step. Success is not about changing your actions. It's about changing your identity. Ask yourself, who do I need to become to live the life I want? Then adopt that identity now, long before you feel ready. If you want to be fit, think like an athlete. If you want to be rich, think like an investor. If you want to be confident, act like someone who values themselves. Identity drives behavior, behavior creates habits, habits build success. Final chapter, it only takes one decision. Your entire life can change from one internal shift, one new belief, one new decision, one moment of clarity. Reprogramming your mind for success isn't a long journey, it's a choice you make repeatedly, every day, every moment. The future you want already exists. It's waiting on the other side of your old programming. Today, you have the power to delete what no longer serves you, install new beliefs, and build a mindset capable of achieving anything you dream of. Your mind is the key. Success happens from the inside out. Reprogram it and rewrite your entire life.